This is Dan Jackson. He's going to solve this Rubik's Cube in 40 seconds. Take it away, Dan. Dan is a Rubik's Cube master. His power level is over 9,000. He's a man of few words, but many talents. He's also obsessed with winning. And he's aspiring to be a Japanese child who can solve a Rubik's Cube in 30 seconds, rather than 40. Dan loves long walks on the beach and puzzles that blow most people's minds. There's Dan making it look easy. Back to the Rubik's Cube, and he's done. Wow. So, ladies, he's single.